Peter, I love you. I got some really cute like videos and pictures of Peter when we was out in Slab City because I'd always have to like really. He was like a diva, you know, because it would be so hot out there. So I'll get him this little. He had this little blue bucket, and he had this fancy blue towel I'd tie around him. It was like you would put it in the water or the ice, and then I tied around Peter, and it would keep him cool. And then he'd sit in his little bucket, and he thought he was like a king. Yeah. We honestly we can use like a whole lot of prayers the next couple weeks as we make some choices and figure out what to do and struggle through the next situation. Um, just pray that we go with God wherever He leads us, and that it's all within His glory and where He would have us go to help what He would have us do and towards restoration. I'm willing to do things to change my life and do the right things. It's hard to know what that is when you have so many people trying to hurt you and drag you down and harm you. But I know what it's not at this point, and that's part of breaking the curse. Is I know what not to do, and I know which directions not to go down, and my radar goes off a little bit better. I mean, I still struggle because I do trust people too much and a lot, especially the ones I trusted for a long time. I would never believe that they could hurt me because I would never do the same shit to them. I'm learning. I'm learning the hard way. I love you, Peter. Thank you so much for the roses. Alright, guys, I think I'm going to get off here for the day. I feel like I'm feeling better. I feel brave. I'm not letting the thoughts, the threats mess up my mind anymore. And I need to get off here and watch some TV and just relax and try to figure out what we're going to eat because I'm getting like really hungry. And I haven't been able to figure out what I want to do to eat. I guess I'll get off here. And if I feel unsafe later, I'll get back on. Not right now, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. I gotta either order something. I'm trying to wait on my payment to come through for my subs so I can order something. It should be any time now. Cause it said it was like accepted and stuff. Cause I put my license in and it said I should get my payment. So it should be here. Let me check. I still haven't gotten it yet, so I'll stay on with y'all till then, and then I'm just hungry. I might have some frozen broccoli and cheese, but the only thing I've had all day was broccoli and cheese soup. So I don't really want to have broccoli and cheese again. But if I'm like starving or it don't come through today, that's what I'll do. Thank you, Lily Beth. But I'm mainly thirsty. I hadn't had anything to drink all day. I usually want to have a Coke by now, but I just been shut down today. That's so funny. Right before you came in, I was just singing.